ready with me? Do this because I'm silly. This is a setting spray with a blue light, kind of shimmery. I'm just doing that. Tip for the hair, tip for your roots. Any of these spray, Grayaways, Clairol, L'Oreal, all the companies make them. And sometimes when you do spray it on, it just comes in a big blob. So I have been doing this, spraying it on my cotton ball, and then going like this. A more natural and not such a blob of a color. So I'm going to put a little NYX eyeshadow base in Skin Tone. We're going to do the eyes first. I've got a Laura Geller Eye Dew Cream in PEWTER. I just got this off of, I believe, eBay. I'll put a link down for you. This is going to be a very easy eye makeup. It's this color. Now you could take whatever eyeshadow palette you want and take like a taupey brownish color and just go like this, or you could take a burgundy on top of that. I think I'll do burgundy. Okay, so first I did the brown, and now I'm going to do the burgundy. Just go in here. I am going to just do under my eye, like that. I'm going to squeeze the brush like this, and just put it under my eye. No need to get another brush. Now I'm going to take any black pencil that you have. I happen to have Bullet, which is very hard to, bulletproof, in Blackout, which is very hard to find, but any MILANI, I'll put my favorite black pencils underneath the video. I'm just gonna tight line, and then the waterline. I find if I hold my lid up like that, I can tight line it really easy. I have NYX in Chocolate. I'm just going to do the outer part right there. Now, I know I have to clean this up. I know. But now we're going to do foundation. Let's see what I have here. All right, I have the Miracle Touch, and I'm going to go in just with this brush. You see? It spreads so good. Don't need that much. And we could use it as concealer. And my brush is wet, which I love. I just washed it and it is wet. And it just makes your makeup go on so nice, just like a beauty sponge when it's wet. Now this is the Miracle Touch in Golden, which is lighter than the bronze. And I'm going to put that on over here. I'm just going to let that sit for a minute. I'm going to put this e.l.f. lipstick duo on, one in night and one in day. So I'm going to take the day and do the inner parts of my lip, and then I'm going to take the night and line it. Now, this is the night, and this is the day. This is a great pencil, but I have to say that it does smear under my mask. Look at those colors. It's all smushy now, but those colors are great. Nice neutral colors. Now I'm going to take this Laura Geller Love Me Do lip crayon in Honey Fizz. And look at that. Isn't that a great combo? That is a great combo. Yeah, look at that. I'm going to take this Kick ASS in light Soap and Glory, and it's like a pencil that rolls up and down. Have a lot to do here, but do you see the eyes, how easy? Now I'm going to put on mascara. Stick works great. Look at the eyes, eyelashes. See? Ooh, baby. Don't we feel good right after we do our makeup, and then as it starts melting down, we start going, ooh. That's how I feel. I feel good right first few minutes after I do my makeup. I feel like the best of the day is right after I do my makeup. You see those eyelashes? This is incredible. And look at the brush. Oh, it's incredible. We need to move this. One of these, Shade and Swap by 7. Then you could use one of these that are $2 and something. Oh, I should have done my eyes with that. You see, look at this. This is so great. This is so great for concealer, and it's perfect. And look at that. You just wipe it clean, and then you go and you blend, blend, blend. All right, let's do the eyebrows and then the blush. NYX has come out with a new eyebrow product. It's called Tame and Frame Brow Pomade. And I do love it. Here it is. It is a pomade, and I got blonde. Narrow Morphe M409 brush, and put it in there and wipe both sides plus the bottom. Turn it upside down on the table and do that. Now I'm just going to outline, and now you just keep getting more product. I will need more product because this is really on the blonde side. I'll put it down like that on my lap. Now I'm going to use my e.l.f., which is darker, and just move that in the back. Put that there. Now, I have a hard time always getting this corner. Let's see. This is the ALMAY Smart Shade. It's so good. This Heavenly brush is the bomb. and I'll be right back. I just ran up the steps. I just met my daughter downstairs. She gave me a bag of food. And my lipstick came off on the mask. So, like I said, this lip trio is not mask proof. So, we're going to go back to, we're going to do this driver. Now, I know somebody said that these Maybelline matte inks are too dry. You really need to put some gloss over it. Let me get this face going. Oh, I also got this L'Oreal Easy Cover Up in medium. That is good. Because gone are the days when you want white, light cover-up. I don't think so. I think you want cover-up that kind of matches your skin a little bit lighter. And girls, this is such a great tool. Now, you see, there my eye makeup looks fine, but when I go like that, you see it's too much over here. I'm going to use this Smart shade in Sunkissed number 40, but I'm going to use the brush that they give. You know, the brush that they give is actually very good. Just like those little eyeshadow applicators, those are very good for eye makeup. Because it lets you get right into the color that you really want. There's the peach, and then you have the contour. You go right there. And then you have a little shimmer here. Look at the little shimmer on the nose. But I have to go back to the nose. And put that there. Let's see. I don't think I was done with my eyebrows, was I? See, and if you just wipe it on the inside of the cover, and hold your eyebrows up like this. Alright, now I'm going to do, this I could have done before the blush. This is the blurring stick. I will do some on the blush. And then some on the nose. And it has a beigeish, I'll show you. It has a light sheer beige color. You see that? Alright. Oh, these roots, can't keep up with them. This is good. I'm going to show you a tip, a clothing tip. Okay, I'm going to show you this. Now, this shirt I bought probably in Ross or Marshall's. All right. It's very, very wide. It's like a maternity top. It's very wide. I mean, you cannot wear it without looking ridiculous. What I did was, I cut the sides. Not just one, because one wasn't good enough with this. Usually I could cut one side, or I don't have to cut it. I could just like tie a knot, but this one you couldn't do that. So I had to cut it. And sometimes you don't have to cut it. You could just pull it and knot it and it works. But this time I just had to cut it. Just boop, 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 boop. And then I knotted it. And I did that on this side too. So I cut it about almost 7 inches, because from here to here, it's good to measure your fingers, see what the distance is, because when you're out or when you're doing anything, you could always figure out inches. This is 7 inches. So I just go like that, and I'm going to knot it. Hair, hair, hair. I did see that show, Hair, in the 70s. Okay, so we still have the bum covered, which I like, and I like the front covered. The sides could go up. And look at that. This top was tremendous. Tremendous. It was like, it was too big to wear. Now I could wear it. And that's it. I hope you like my tips and tricks, fashion tips, makeup tips, and have a great week. Have a great day. Remember, I'm praying for you. I'm praying for you. Please pray for the world. I'll see you in my next video. I have to open up